I think I'm still in the middle of just admitting like who I am. I'm like maybe too sensitive than the others, maybe the average, or I think too much. Sometimes I can't sleep. But do you want to die? No. I try to love the life, the skies, taking walks, good friends. I'm still fighting the demons. I think maybe it could be forever. And forever is too long, like I said. But I just want to say one thing simply, in short, I think life is fun and living is better.
Baby, you remind me I want someone like you. Tries to never dying. I want someone like you. Nobody knows me, honey. No one like you. If you wanna go there, I'm ready to be with